Love is in the air. Are you looking for easy and beautiful Valentine's Day card to express your feelings to the person of your dreams? Here I am going to show you 2 DIY greeting cards for your loved ones. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and also make sure to click the bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video, and also give this video a big thumbs up. For this you will need, so let's get started. For our first DIY greeting card, take A4 white card paper, divide into half. Now take one of it and fold it like this and press it. Take small piece of paper, fold it into half and cut this way to make a heart. If you need my heart template which I used, you can take a copy of this and print it out. Template is in the description below. Here your heart mold is ready. Take concrete red sheet, turn it around, keep heart mold on top of it, and with the help of pencil trace it out. Now with the cutter cut it along this way. Now place the red sheet on top of white card and press it out with pencil. I had few waste colored papers with me, so I am going to use them by cutting them into small pieces like this. Now apply glue and keep on pasting. Keep on repeating one by one as shown this way. Friends, you can find more interesting and similar videos on this channel. For this, click the I button on the top or link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't. When it is done, now take red sheet, apply glue and paste it on top of card sheet this way. Now over here, take golden glitter tube, apply at the edge of heart this way. Yeah, it's done. Your first heart greeting card is ready. Now for our second Valentine's Day greeting card, take white card paper, fold it into half and press it. Take green construction paper, apply glue and paste on white card paper. Here I am using this heart mold. Take red card paper and with the help of this mold, make a few hearts. You will be needing white thread, apply glue and paste it. Keep on repeating. Now gather all thread and with the help of glue, paste the bow on top of it. So here our Valentine's Day greeting cards are ready. Send it to your loved ones, just expressing your feelings to your sweetheart. So go ahead and make one and don't forget to share with me on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you enjoyed it, kindly like, share and comment below. You can ask anything if you have any questions related to this craft. Thank you so much for supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, namaste.